To stop your phone from automatically playing music every time you connect to Android Auto, well, first go to Settings, and then go to Connected Devices. Towards the bottom, you should see Android Auto. Tap that first. Once you're in the Android Auto settings, you'll see a toggle for starting music automatically. Turn that off. Now, your phone will connect to Android Auto, but it will not start playing music automatically. Some Android versions have a separate setting under Sound and Vibration that could sometimes override this. Mine doesn't have it, but if your music is still playing automatically after disabling it for Android Auto, go to the Sounds and Vibration settings and look for Media Resumption. If that's turned on, your phone might try to play music and bypass the Android Auto settings we just changed. It's also worth noting that some apps like Spotify or YouTube Music can have their own autoplay settings inside the app's menus. If you're still having issues, check those apps and make sure there isn't a setting within the app that's telling your phone to autoplay music. Click the like button if this helped and subscribe for more easy guides like this.